Today we're going to be doing a water test on the JBL PULSE 3. Let's get started. So we're going to put this underwater for an hour. Let's do it right now. Right, so let's dunk that in. Including that time, it's now 58 minutes to go. There's a bit of a problem with this speaker. It floats. Thank you, JBL. So I'm going to try and get something to break that down. That's probably going to be unsuccessful. Technically it's underwater, so we're still going to continue anyway. See you in an hour. Right, so the timer is done for an hour underwater. Let's see if it still works. It's currently on low battery because I put it in with low battery. It's been in there for an hour. Let's see if it works. Right, so as you can see, it clearly works. It just died because of the battery being empty, so that's not because of the water, trust me, because I just saw it turn off. Okay, so that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, share it, put a comment down below what you thought about this, and I will see you in the next one.